Mga kapatid, oras po natin, it is now 7:57. Ang oras na muna hatid sa ating lahat ng Winrock Scholars Sing. Basta germs and bacteria.
Hi. Hello. Kamusta? Ito yung mga salita na madalas natin sabihin pero di natin nakikita yung impact na nagagawa nito. Kaya we sometimes forget to speak up. Guilty rin ako doon. Madalas, I overthink and choose silence instead. Pero minsan, all it takes is one call and one trip to see life differently. Bago ko ikwento yung nangyari, let me tell you a bit about myself. I'm not really a people person. Sanay na ako sa idea na people come and go. Kaya, ang dami kong moments na hindi ko na-express ang sarili ko. At minsan, di rin ako marunong magbasa ng tao. Madalas tuloy, I end up being too straightforward. Not knowing na masakit na pala yung sinasabi ko. Kaya, natuto akong manahimik. Magtrabaho na lang and let life drift me to wherever I go. Until this trip. A spontaneous plan with old friends that I reconnected again. Azad, Luca, Aina, and me. Hesitant pa ako at first. Sayang oras eh. Sayang pera. But I said yes anyway. And in just 2 days, by stepping away from the chaos of Manila, we find time to really enjoy each other's company again. To catch up, to just be present.
Kapit.
May moment pa nga na di ko napansin at first. I was recording videos, taking photos. Then Luca said, I like how you're recording this trip. I want to remember this. These videos and pictures will soon be memories. A reminder of what we've become. And that hit me. Bigla kong naalala kung bakit ko ginagawa to. Bakit ako naging filmmaker? I lived a life where silence is always the answer. I used to live quietly, almost invisible. Pero dahil sa mga taong nakikilala ko at sa mga naranasan ko, that gave me the courage to speak up. Whether through words or a simple press of a button. Meron at merong kwento na makikwento. Kaya para dito, ito ang kwento namin. A girl learning to forgive herself. A boy reconnecting with people he once left behind. A girl trying to change her ways. And there's me. A storyteller finding his voice in this world. And together, we found peace and forgiveness in one small spontaneous adventure. Pero, hindi pa dito natatapos ang lahat. The story may have ended, but I hope to meet more people along the way and capture the moments I'll share with them. Maliit man o malaki. Kaya bigla kitang naisip. I wanted to change my ways and start this journey of meeting people. Hindi ko alam kung nasan ka o kung anong pinagdadaanan mo ngayon. Pero sana one day magkita tayo. At kung mangyari yun, I'd love to share our stories together. So, let me take the first step and say, hi, I'm Yonto. Kamusta ka?
Para sa turtle.
Sir, drone shot, sir.
Drone shot, ganun po.